In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Google Analytics 4 property or measurement ID. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look in your Google Analytics account to grab the measurement ID you need to connect your website or app. This is the code that starts with G and a dash, and it's what most platforms ask for when you're setting up tracking. First, open your Google Analytics account. Make sure you're signed in with the right Google login and that you've selected the correct account and property at the top of the interface. If you manage multiple properties, double-check that you're in the GA4 property you intend to use, not an older Universal Analytics one. Next, head to Admin Settings. In GA4, you'll find the Admin gear icon in the lower left corner of the screen. Click that to open the admin area. This is where all your property level and data settings live, and it's the central place to confirm configuration details like your measurement ID. Inside Admin, go to Data Collection. You'll find this within the Property section. Opening Data Collection ensures you're in the right area for managing how your data flows into analytics. If you're ever unsure whether you're in the correct place, look for options specific to GA4, such as Data Streams. Now click Data Streams and select the one you want. Each GA4 property can have multiple streams. For example, one for web, one for iOS, and one for Android. Pick the stream that matches where you're implementing tracking. For a website, choose the web stream for your domain. For a mobile app, choose the appropriate app stream. Once you've selected a stream, you'll see the details page for that stream, and this is where your measurement ID appears. It's typically shown near the top and looks like G followed by a string of letters and tender numbers. This is the exact value you'll copy into your site's gtedge.js, your Google Tag Manager configuration, or your app's SDK settings. If you're working with a developer or a platform integration, sharing just this measurement ID is often all they need to connect your property. A quick recap. Open your Google Analytics account, go to the Admin gear, open Data Collection, click Data Streams, choose the correct stream, and you'll see your measurement ID displayed. Keep it handy in a secure place so you can reference it whenever you set up tags or integrations. That's all you need to reliably find your Google Analytics 4 measurement ID.